Bassey in 13 minutes, 10 rebounds, a couple of blocks, 3 assists. And there's the, hopefully make it, but get a shot. McDermott following orders.
Bobby Portis off the glass. He's not an easy guy to keep out of the paint.
Bassey 6 rebounds. Jones.
You're supposed to be doing it.
No,
I just want to know, what I really want to know is where are the, look at that.
that Thunder team could have just parked their egos.
Right?
Good heavens.
Kevin Durant. McDermott.
And we talked about it in postgame the other night with Kareth Burke. Your Globetrotter basketball that you received, and you've been working out with that. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
That was, you had like 10 two-a-days, and you had, you know, we went over offense, we went over defense, we understood.
They hit a nerve.
Yeah,
No question about it.
I love to watch you guys. Tommy, your team in Arizona. Not only were you guys great, you guys had a bunch of great guys, man. You and Steve.
Shot 56% in that first. Unfortunately, Memphis shot 60%. Bassey with it down low. Back out to Vassell for 3. Yes! As Ty Jones gets the bucket. Their largest lead. Bassey runs down the McDermott miss inside to Doug for 2.